Okay, I leave you to solve question 6 if you would like to solve. I don't remember if we solved it during class, but you can solve it. For sure you can solve it. So let's go to solve this question. This question is about an RC circuit. They give you the capacitance, they give you the resistance, and it takes how long it will take to the capacitor to lose half of its initial stored energy. It doesn't say half of the charge, it says half of the initial stored energy. The initial stored energy is 1/2, the initial storage is 1/2 Q0 squared divided by C. To lose half of the initial stored energy means that the final energy will be 1/2 of this amount, and 1/2 of this amount will means that the charge, if U equal U0 divided by 2, you can check if the energy stored changed in half is because the charge has changed in Q0 divided by square root of 2. If you plug here the Q equal Q0 divided by square root of 2, you will find that the U is 1/2 of the U final. And let's go to do it. If Q is Q0 divided by square root of 2, the new stored energy U will be 1/2 of the charge Q0 divided by square root of 2 squared divided by C will be 1/2 of Q0 squared divided by 2 and C. So it will be 1/2 of Q0 squared divided by 1/2 of C. It will be 1/2 of U0. So when Q, I have checked, when Q is equal Q0 divided by square root of 2, the stored energy decreased to half. At this time, how long is the time? So you will do it like this. Forget this. Q of t will be Q0 by the discharge of the capacitor will start at certain amount of charge, and it will go down as e to the minus 1 divided by RC, where R by C is the critical time t is R by C. This is tau. The charge would decrease like an exponential function, e to the minus x or e to the minus t. And the problem say, when the charge, it will be Q0 divided by square root of 2. Well, the charge is Q0 e to the minus RC. So what it's asking you is at what time t, e to the minus RC is 1 divided by square root of 2. You take log at one side and the other side. When you take the other side, the left side will be minus 1 RC t by the log of on base e of e, that is 1. So it will be minus 1 divided by RC by t equal log of a square root of 1 divided by square root of 2. So the time t will be this amount, minus RC by the log of 1 divided by square root of 2. The time t is not negative because it's 1 divided by 1.4. 1.4 is the square root of 2. This is a number that is less than 1, and the log of a number that is less than 1 is a negative number. So this negative with this negative will give you a time t positive. So if you calculate this, you will know what is the correct answer. So find the correct answer here. Which one will be? Okay. You can do it, I think, right? Okay, you do it. All let's go to do it. Okay. Minus RC log of 1. No, you do it. Okay, you do it. That's all.